Justice with Judge Mablean will be life because in everything we do, it involves the law. Where's your witness?
In the evidence.
That's hearsay.
It's notarized.
I still say it's hearsay.
She's fair.
You gotta help these young men learn how to do this the right way.
Yes, Your Honor.
She's firm.
Can I say something, Your Honor?
No, I don't need to say anything else.
She's honest.
I'm not your child and I'm not your friend. That's the order of the court. Goodbye.
This is Justice with Judge Mablean.
All rise. Both parties, raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
I do.
Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Mablean presiding.
Thank you, Will. You may be seated. In the matter of Aaron Ellington versus Lola Grunner, Mr. Aaron Ellington, you're suing her for $3,716 in property damages. And Miss Grunner, of course, you're saying, I have nothing to do with that, absolutely no responsibility for his damaged car. So let me hear from you first, Mr. Ellington.
Your Honor, I brought Mrs. Grunner here today because she posted my license plate on her social media account that has 15,000 followers and with the caption of typical Mongolian resident. And the comments are very unkind to me. And there was one comment specifically that stood out to me that had a direct correlation with the vandalism that was done with my car.
What's that?
The comment wrote, "No, you're worse," and it had hundreds of likes on it. And that was the same spray paint that I had to get removed from my car.
She placed your license plate on social media.
Yes, Your Honor.
And as a result of placing your license plate number on social media, you have damage to your car?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now let me connect those dots.
So last fall, I was subject to multiple break-ins and vandalism to my car. The first time I thought, hey, maybe because unfortunately it is common to have break-ins in your car in Seattle. So I thought maybe it was just a one-off. And then a couple weeks later, after I got my side window repaired, I got another break-in where the person broke my rear window and spray painted "You're worse" on the side of my vehicle.
Spray painted "You're worse"?
Yeah.
Okay, connect her to that.
So Mrs. Grunner, she posts specialty license plates on her social media account, and I happen to have a specialty license plate that reads "I'm better." So
you have a specialty license plate that reads "I'm better."
Correct. And I know how that sounds, and I want to just say right now that I got that as a license plate for me because I'm doing better as a person in my life, in my career, and it was not meant to sound ignorant or arrogant to other people.
I'm still not. Connect the dots. How does she get involved in this?
So my friend sent me a screenshot of the post on her social media account of my vehicle with my license plate, calling out my neighborhood in the caption, and none of these break-ins started to happen until after the post from Mrs. Grunner's social media account.
And the person spray painted something on your car that says "You're the worst."
Yes. And that was the comment that had the most likes on the post on Mrs. Grunner's social media page.
Wow, that's a real stretch. You stretched that all the way over to her.
Well, the incident is I had my car for a year prior to that, and nothing ever happened to it until she posted that on her social media account.
So the fact that she posted your license plate on her social media account led to people vandalizing your car.
Yes,
that's what
Your
you're
Honor.
saying.
She made me a target. She also posted where I live as well.
Well, you didn't say all that.
Yes, in her caption, I said she wrote "typical Magnolia resident."
Typical Magnolia? I thought you said Mongolian.
No, Magnolia resident, Your Honor.
Oh, where is Magnolia?
It's in Seattle. It's a suburb right outside of Seattle.
Let me see, what's wrong with your car that she would say you're a typical Magnolia resident? Do you guys have any relationship with each other, or have you ever had one?
No.
So how'd she know your address then?
That's a good question, Your Honor. I don't know how she knows.
I don't. So
How do you know she did it?
She knows the location of where I live. She knows I live in Magnolia.
And no one else knows that in the world.
Just my friends and close people to me.
Okay, here's a license plate. So I guess you're riding around the city one day, and your license plate says "I'm better." Were you riding around in Magnolia?
Yes.
And so it says "typical Magnolia resident," and then some other person says "you're worse."
Yes.
And you put vandalism of your car onto her because she said that.
Yes, Your Honor, but there's a direct correlation between the phrase written on my car and the most popular comment on the post from her
And the
social
most
media.
popular comment, your words, so the post came from Jakey3234. Who's Jakey3234? Your words.
It could have been possibly the perpetrator that vandalized
So why
my
didn't you
car.
why didn't you go after him?
Because I feel like even though Ms. Grunner didn't swing the bat, she brought the bat to the crowd by posting my car and license plate on her social media account.
Let me hear from you, Ms. Grunner.
Yes. So I run this social media account where I post specialty vanities.
Why?
Because I think it's funny. I think it's funny. It's just for fun and games. I never once incite violence or harassment. I tell people to submit these photos to me. My bio literally says these are pictures that bring me joy. It's just for little laughs.
It's not fun though that now I owe
Okay, so-
$3,700
all
in
right.
damages to my car because of your post.
No,
Who's to
you
say-
can't prove that.
No.
You can't prove that at all. You are stretching.
Coming up on Justice with Judge Mablean.
He lives in a big neighborhood and it's in Seattle. And if you have a very flashy license plate that says I'm better, which is again a little arrogant and pretentious.
Why should my property
no.
be posted on your social media account?
And later,
I ran into the garage, opened the door, and my dog was on the floor with his leg right there, just kind of dragging.
if you'll be in the Los Angeles area and want to bring your case to court, call 1-888-552-6878. You're watching Justice with Judge Mablean. We're back with the case of Erin Ellington, who is suing Lola Grunner for property damage.
Oh, it's under her name.
No.
So how'd you find out where she lived?
My friend sent me a screenshot of my car when it was posted to Mrs. Grunner's social media account, and that's when I saw the post about my car.
Your friend sent you a screenshot.
Yes.
So where he get it from? How you know he didn't do it?
She has a lot of followers on social media, so I'm sure it could have easily slipped into his timeline in Washington. We all live in Washington. And it
So
came
why
out.
you think he couldn't have done it?
Because he's my friend. He wouldn't have done it.
And who vandalized your car? You blaming her for that too? The broken window and
So
the
these
spray paint?
all these vandalism started last fall after Mrs. Grunner's post went up. I didn't have any prior incidents before that, Your Honor.
She has how many followers?
I believe 15,000
Any
plus.
15,000 of those persons could have done that then. They saw your car, your license plate.
But I wouldn't even been on their radar, Your Honor, if she never posted my car and my license plate.
He lives in a big neighborhood and it's in Seattle. And if you have a very flashy license plate that says I'm better, which is again a little arrogant and pretentious.
Why should
and
my
I have,
property
no.
be posted on your social media account?
Okay, but listen,
It's
Your
my
Honor,
property.
In my comments, there's people that claim that they noticed this driver. They say he's reckless, that he doesn't use his
Let me
blinker,
see.
merges.
You got a lot of responses on your social media page.
These could,
So one of these angry persons who said you're a reckless driver. Ooh, G. Root, this person almost hit me a few weeks ago. Didn't use his blinker, almost merged right
Those
into
are
my
li-
car.
those are
The
all
bad
lies, Your
driving
Honor.
combined with this license plate, bad vibes.
Those are all lies, Your Honor. I have a clean record, clean license plate. I've never been in any accidents, no
They
speeding
didn't say that.
tickets.
They said you're rude. You changed in front of them, didn't use your blinker. You merged right into almost merged right into my car. Bad driver. Another one said,
It's
I once saw
Seattle.
this dude
Everyone
merge across
drives
3
like that.
lanes to get to his exit. Did you ever do that? Merge across 3 lanes to get to your exit.
No, does not sound like me at all, Your Honor.
Cannot believe
People
someone
lie
would get
online
this
all
as
the
their...
time. They're all hopping on the bandwagon in those comments.
and you don't think you're lying about this being my fault?
It is
Could
your
be
fault.
anyone. Do
I
you
would
have
never,
any
this would have
ex-girlfriends
never
that you pissed
happened.
off, maybe?
This man says you almost ran him over. Now, this person says you almost ran him over and almost hit his car.
Your Honor, people lie online all the time.
And so that's my whole point. People lie online. People do a lot of things online.
her
how
post
you
is
gonna
not a
blame
lie.
her? You didn't see her
Her
damage.
post is not a lie, though. She posted my picture of my vehicle, my license plate, and said I live in Magnolia.
Okay,
She didn't need to do that, Your Honor.
she didn't.
No, but it's part of my First Amendment rights. I'm just posting.
She did
it's-
need
I
to
think
do
you
that.
need to find better hobbies.
Okay.
I would agree.
I think you need to drive better.
I mean, like, Your Honor, this car
Sir, you have absolutely no proof that this woman damaged your car and caused that damage. Even if the post caused people to say, yeah, I remember that son of a gun, he almost ran me off the freeway. Now I know where he lived. Boom. It doesn't, she's not responsible for people doing that.
Road rage is a thing, you know? especially if you're reckless driving, and it seems to
And
have
then
very...
somebody spray painting your car. Where was it?
They spray painted on the side of my car.
Where was the car parked?
It was parked in front of my house.
So how you know your neighbors don't like you?
Because I'm friends with my neighbors. We have barbecues all the time.
Didn't any of them see anybody doing that?
No,
It's
unfortunately
the 21st century. Where are the cameras? Where are the cameras? The neighborhood cameras.
You can
Where
afford a
are the
Porsche?
cameras? The neighborhood cameras. Where are they? Where's yours? In front of your house. I know you got a camera.
Unfortunately,
You're
I did not
25.
see
You
any
got a
footage.
camera
What I
in
did
front of your
see
house.
is Mrs. Grunner's
You have a camera in front of your house?
irresponsible, reckless post about
You
my
have a
car.
camera?
I do, yes.
Where's
but
the
it only
camera that
put- it
shows
only-
anybody doing
It's
anything?
only in the front porch, and this happened a little bit on the side of the street.
Where's the neighbor's camera? Where is anything?
I wasn't able to obtain their camera footage. I wasn't able
Did
to
you
get
ask?
access. No, I did not ask.
Why not? Somebody did
'cause
something in front of
a
your
lot of the
house.
neighbors-
Stop. In a neighborhood that people like you and you're friendly with, and you didn't ask, hey, man, look what somebody posted on my car. Did you see anybody do this?
Your Honor, a lot of my neighbors in my neighborhood are always out of town a lot. Like that specific neighborhood, people are always traveling. They're on vacation.
You're making excuse after excuse after excuse because you didn't do your homework. How did you find where she lives to serve her? You went online and got her address, huh? Answer the question. You went online and got her address from somebody, huh?
Yeah.
Mr. Ellington, you have not one shred of evidence to connect this woman to that vandalism of your car. Not one. You are
Your
just,
Honor, the
you're
comment
reaching.
on the post from
I
her
don't
social
care.
media
I
account.
read the comments on the post. Any number of those persons who didn't like you commented on the post as well that they didn't like you.
With the specific word that was used on the vandalism on
Sir,
the comments?
I'm going to say it for the last time. You have not a shred of evidence to connect this woman to the vandalism of your car. Not one shred.
I don't think it was Ms. Grunner that did it herself personally. I feel like she enticed it. She enticed the people to do
so
it to
she's
her.
responsible for the world acting out because she posts something on her post. Now she's responsible for any and everybody who'll go out and do something to you.
If she posts my license plate and my vehicle and where it calls out where I live, yes,
You
I
know
do
when
believe
your
she's
license plate
responsible.
is posted because you ride around the city with a license plate that says I'm better. That's why your license plate is posted. She didn't have to do a picture. You already had the picture when you're riding around in that beautiful Cayman Porsche saying I'm better.
That's not the truth, Your Honor. I worked
Okay,
really
well, I
hard
don't know.
for my achievements.
I really don't know what the truth is, but I know that you don't have any evidence in this court that says that she did anything. Judgment for the defendant.
All rise.
Judge Mablean has ruled in favor of the defendant. The plaintiff's claim has been denied.
Got lucky this time, but you should look into a real job.
Not only are you worse, but you're also a loser too.
All right, your day in court is over. You can exit behind you.
Coming up,
They tell me that the injuries were way too severe, that they had to amputate it,
They amputated his leg. Which
Yes.
leg, left or right?
the left one.
you're watching Justice with Judge Mablean.
Good morning. It is the matter of Erica Barrington versus Camille Morgan. I understand that you are two sisters. Tell me what happened.
Yes, Your Honor. I am suing my sister because she ran over my dog and injured his leg. As a matter of fact, his leg had to be amputated.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
How did all that happen?
We made a pact to keep the bond between both dogs and have play dates. And we both agreed to see each other this day at her house. And that is when I went to her house and left my dog in the garage, as well as I had seen that her dog was in there as well, because she is getting renovations of her floors in her kitchen. So she does not want any dog inside of her house. So since I put my dog in there with her dog, shortly after, I heard a very high-pitched sound, a screeching sound.
And you were in her house,
Yes,
and you had put your dog in the garage
yes,
with her dog.
with her dog, yes.
Okay.
I ran into the garage, opened the door, and my dog was on the floor with his leg right there, just kind of dragging. I was just in shock of the scene. And the first thing she says is, "What are you doing here?" Screaming at me.
You didn't help her?
No.
Why?
Because I ran over her dog's leg, and it wasn't my responsibility, but more so, I was scared to hurt the dog. I was scared to
The dog's
injure it.
already hurt.
Well, I wanted her to put the dog in the crate, which would be easier.
By herself?
Yes.
Coming up,
I ran over the dog because she came home early before I did.
you're watching Justice with Judge Mablean. We're back with the case of Erica Barrington, who is suing her sister, Camille Morgan, for negligence.
Okay, go on.
So I leave in my car, and once I got in the veterinary, that's when, you know, they take a look at my dog and they tell me that the injuries were way too severe, that they had to amputate it.
They amputated his leg. Which
Yes.
leg, left or right?
The left one.
That was the bill, $3,427?
That is correct.
Did you have any insurance?
Unfortunately not. I
So
do
you
not
had to
have-
pay all of this out of pocket?
Yes, I had to do it with my credit card.
All right, what do you have to say?
I ran over the dog because she came home early before I did.
And what time was the scheduled arrival?
Her scheduled arrival, what we agreed to in the text messages that I have here, were 5:30.
That she put the dog in the garage, right?
Yes.
My
Your Honor.
dog's in the garage, put yours in there.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So she drives a car.
Yeah.
You know your sister's car
Yes.
very well.
Yes, I do.
Do you not?
Yes.
So when you got home, could you not tell that your sister was there?
No.
Why not?
I didn't see her car parked in my driveway. or
Okay,
anything.
that's what I'm asking. You did not see her car.
Correct.
Did you see her car on the street?
No.
So you have her garage door opener as well.
But she gave me an extra pair of keys to her house.
Okay, so you were inside the house.
Yes.
Your car's parked on the street. You put your dog in the garage.
Yes.
You didn't notice that her car was there.
Correct. I didn't really see the street or anything. I didn't know her car was there. I didn't know she came earlier than I did, like what we agreed to.
All right, so you just pulled into your garage.
Yes.
Judge Mablean's verdict when Justice with Judge Mablean returns. You're watching Justice with Judge Mablean.
Do you have homeowners insurance?
I do.
Okay, so the order of the court is that you submit this claim to her homeowner's insurance policy for reimbursement, and whatever they reimburse, you have to pay the difference. It was an accident. Both of you were a little careless about the situation, but you have homeowners insurance, and your homeowners insurance policy should cover the injured pet on your property. It may or may not. I don't know all the terms, but typically it will do that. So the first thing you do is turn it into your homeowner's insurance. Whatever they don't pay, the two of you divide the difference. That's the order of the court.
All rise.
Judge Mablean has ruled monetary damages are pending.
Well, I just hope you're more careful next time.
Well, I hope you're a little bit more responsible in letting me know that you're at my house.
All right, you can gather your things. Your day in court is over. You're going to exit behind you.
This has been a production of Allen Media Group.